Hello everybody, so we're here at Walgreens. We're here at my local Walgreens. So kind of just going through here, just looking through the little fidget section here. Well, actually the cards. So we got a couple of cards here. We got Pokemon, we got some Pokemon there. I already have those. Yu-Gi-Oh! We have some Magic the Gathering. Let's go through here. We got some Pop Funkles down there. Nothing of interest for me. So they have their little section here. Okay, so let's say we go further down here. They have, I think these are like a little puzzles, right? Or something like that. Oh, little Legos. Ooh. Little Lego set. Check that out. I want a Lego set, but I want the good ones. The really good Lego sets. The ones that are at Target. Let's get these right here. What's this? Not sure what this is right here. Yeah. So I'm going through the little fidget section. Ooh, is that what's this? Is this what I think it is? I can't see it. Oh, yes it is. It's a Pez. It's a Pop Funkle Pez dispenser with the candy. Ooh, I like Pez. It's really good. Oh. I see something. Mario. Oh, what the heck was that? Something fell over. Okay, this is $4.96. This is a Mario Hot Wheels, right? Yeah. But this is not Mario Kart. This is just like a Hot Wheels thing. Yeah. I could get this later. Not right now. I mean, I have the $4.95, but I'm trying to collect all the Mario Kart stuff. What's down here? Is this Mario stuff down here? We got more Mario stuff here. Are these amiibos? Oh. I can't see that. I don't know if they're amiibos. They're not. I don't think they're amiibos. How much are they? $4. There's a collection right here. So they've got this right here. They got that one right there, and then they got this over here. What the heck are they doing? Oh my gosh. Ooh, look, Mario. So here's Mario. I think they're just little action figures. Okay, what's the other one? Okay, so we have another Mario. Okay, so we got two Marios. Mario. There's Mario. And we have, who's this, Yoshi? No, that's not Yoshi. That's the other guy. That's the other guy. Wow. These are really cool. Yeah, so I might just take one of these. I mean, I have the Mario Karts, but I think these are just little action figures. Yeah. Go ahead, leave that there. So we're gonna go through their fidget section real quick. See, fidgets. They have fidgets right here too. Little fidgets right here. Slime. I do not see the point in slime. I don't like slime. I don't see what the point of it is. It's real messy. Kids love it though. It's real messy. Very messy. Look, you got colored slime here. Is slime even considered a fidget? We got some, what's that, putty or something up there? You got putty up there. We got a little fidget section here, but they don't have very much. Not very much. Well, they have these little mystery, what the LOL surprise things or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, Savannah got me not an LOL surprise, but the other yellow ones with the little minis. The little, it's kitchen stuff, like the little ketchup and stuff like that. There's dolls right here too. Big brother collects dolls, but I don't think he'd be interested in anything like this. Yeah, he's very specific about what he collects. It's okay, because I'm very specific about what fidgets I like. Because there's some that I don't like. So now we're moving on over here. These are not fidgets, these are just their games. We got Uno. I love Uno. We got math dice. What that is. Rubik's cubes. Ooh. We got that. That is so neat. What's this? Uno. Uno flip. I don't know how you play that. I love Uno. I love the Uno game. I should buy the cards, but it would just be a collectible. Because there's no way that I don't have nobody to play with. Nobody wants to play with me. I'm sad. I think I'm gonna cry. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so what's this? Uno, roll, math. That's like a math Uno. That's educational. That would work out. Now, on the contrary, I've never asked anyone to play games with me at home. But I'm sure Big Brother would if I asked him for, let's play a game of checkers or something. I'm sure he would, but what do you mem? What is this? Ooh. Gameplay. I'm not sure what this is. What do you mem? Let's look into this. It's like a memory game. On the go. Never heard of this. I'll have to look it up. See what that is. It's $9, $9.95. And this is what? Phase 10. I guess this is something like Uno. Yeah. I should buy these and just have them at home. So if anybody's up to playing Uno or something like that, I'll just pull them out. And we have here Say It. See, we got these video games. These are pretty cool. This is the Galaga arcade. See, I got one of these. This is not the exact same one that I bought the last time. This was a slightly different one. This is 19 because it was 19. This is 24 here at Walgreens. I want this one right here. This is the next one I want. These are just your typical little cheap handhelds, but they're by My Arcade. Go Gamer Portable. This one at 220 games, but just how many of them are really good games? Because usually when you have a high quality of games like this, a lot of the games are usually repetitives. Some of them are just no-name, independent games that you never heard of. But you see, these are 16-bit. These are 16-bit games, so these are probably going to look more like Sega Genesis or something. The last one that I took was 8-bit. Let's just see, but this is right here. See, but I want to take this one too. It's pretty neat. Yeah, see, I want this one. I'm going to come back for this one. This one is a little different than the one I had before, but I'll have to look it up just to see how different it is. They got some plushies here too. I wish they had like Animal Crossing or something. That'd be pretty cool. Nice to collect. And here we've got more. How much was it? About 9 minutes, guys. See if we got more mystery stuff here. got Rubik's Cubes. So we got a small Rubik's. Oh, we got a large Rubik's Cube here. $20. This is the 9x9, I think. Ooh, that's a large one. It's a nice one too. Face coverings are recommended. I got mine on. Okay, so here we are. See, we have a Galaga machine. This is pretty cool. We have another Galaga machine. Well, I wonder what's the difference between this one and this one. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Hold on. Oh, okay, this is Galaxian. Okay, yes. This one's Galaga, and this is Galaxian. These are nice, too. I would love to start collecting these also. The little mini arcade machines. $30 though. That's about how much they are at Walmart too. So that's about it here. Here they just got a little bit of school supplies, arts and crafts stuff, glue sticks, scissors. I need scissors, but these are more like kids' scissors. They're more for children. Yeah. Well, folks, so yeah, I'm just here looking around at Walgreens. Just came over here real quick. Had to pick up some snacks, some over-the-counter medications and stuff, and that's about it. But every time I come here, I go through their little gaming section here, and they have some pretty cool stuff. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? I think I already see something back here. Hold on. IQ stars. Oh, this is like a puzzle. Oh, how much is this? You see, because I bought this one too. See, I bought this one last time, and it's pretty cool. It has its challenging. It's challenging. I bought this one. Canoodle. I have this one. I like it, but. Let's see. They have some more stuff back here. Hold on. What do they got back here? They got another one back here. IQ puzzle. Okay, this is just like the one I had before. Okay. I'm not sure how much this is, but I think I might probably take this one. This one's IQ stars. 120 challenges. Yeah, I'm taking this. Alright, folks, so yeah, I mean, these are some things that I like, and like I said, I'm gonna come back for some more of these. These arcade machines are pretty neat. This is a little Pac-Man machine too. This is pretty good to have too. That's $34 though. $34, but I think it's just Pac-Man. No, it's Pac-Man, Miss Pac-Man. It's only 2 games though. I don't know about that one. Well, anyway, folks, so yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all take care. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, congratulations. All right, y'all take care. Have a good day. What are they doing back there?